Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 14 February handed over the state-of-the-art indigenous main battle tank Arjun Mark 1A to the army. Chief of the Army Staff General Manoj Mukund Narwane received the tank for the army at a function in Jawaharlal Nehru Indoor Stadium, Chennai. This came after a high-level meeting of Defence Ministry in which it cleared the introduction of 118 Arjun Mark 1A tanks into the Indian Army, which would be worth around 8,400 crore and would add to the strength of the force in land warfare. These 118 Arjun tanks would also form two regiments in the Armed Corps of Indian Army, like the first 124 tanks which have been bought earlier, though 6 less due to recent changes in number of tanks per regiment. The Arjun Mark 1A has been indigenously designed, developed and manufactured by Chennai-based Combat Vehicles Research and Development Establishment CVRDE, which is a unit of Defence Research and Development Organization DRDO, along with 15 academic institutions, 8 labs and several MSMEs. The Arjun Main Battle Tank project was initiated by DRDO in 1972 with the CVRDE as its lead laboratory. The objective was to create a state-of-the-art tank with superior firepower, high mobility and excellent protection. During the development, the CVRD achieved breakthroughs in the engine, transmission, hydro-pneumatic suspension, hull and turret as well as the gun control system. Finally, after long research and development, mass production began in 1996 at the Indian Ordnance Factory's production facility in Avadi, Tamil Nadu. The Arjun tanks stand out for their fin-stabilized armor-piercing discarding sabot ammunition and 120mm caliber gun. It also has a computer-controlled integrated fire control system with stabilized sighting that works in all lighting conditions. The second weapons include a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun for anti-personnel and a 12.7mm machine gun for anti-aircraft and ground targets. And of course, it has a massive 1400 horsepower engine that produces speed up to 65 km per hour. The Mk1A version of Arjun tank has 14 major upgrades from the earlier versions. It is also supposed to have a missile firing capability as per the design, but this feature will be added later as final testing of the capability is still on. Finally, there is an interesting fact related to this tank. In a comparative trial conducted in the Rajasthan desert in March 2010, the Arjun proved itself equal to or better than the Russian T-90. Top army generals who witnessed the trial admitted that Arjun performed superbly, whether driving cross-country over rugged sand dunes or accurately hitting target with its powerful main gun. The Arjun established that it was a tank to reckon with. After being inducted, the tank is said to compete with Al Khalid tank of Pakistani army in the subcontinent and will work shoulder to shoulder with T-90 Bhishma tank in Indian army.